Hi, this is Hatco's new line of induction ranges. Entry-level unit is Boxer, very simple, red LED display, works in a power mode, and it also offers temperature control in both Fahrenheit and centigrade, and then back to power again. Very simple, timer, and a simple on-off button. That's it. 1800 watts, 120 volts, spatter pattern on the top to hide scratches. Next up, we have a built-in version of the cooktop. This is what we call our Repeat Cuisine line. It's a step up. It offers extra functionality. It's got temperature and timer, temperature control timer, power, but also offers preset programmability, which I can demonstrate on the adjacent unit, which we have powered. This is a double, 2900 watts per burner. Temperature, power, temperature, and programmability. Up to 6 different presets with 2 stages of cooking. Shortly we'll be introducing 3 stages of cooking, but right now we're shipping 2 stages. So you set a time for each of the stages, and then a power level or a temperature, or a combination of the two. We found this particularly useful at a chain where they were using everything at 100%, and of course boiling over, burning the pans running dry, that kind of thing. So we worked out a program for them where it was 100% power for 20 minutes to bring a pot of water up to a boil, and then flip over to 180 degrees to maintain a simmer. That did away with all their boilovers and all their dry pans. Again, up to 6 different presets. Good for sauté too. Perhaps 80% power for 2 minutes, followed by 35% power for 3 minutes to cook a protein and then add a sauce and finish. So that's the front to back double. This is a side-by-side double. Same power, 2900 watts per burner. And then down below we've got a new line of hold-only units. These are warmers. These are designed to hold hot food hot. These particular units are 360 watts each position, and they're daisy chained. So you can see at the back, there's a short cord interconnects the units and one long cord off to the power supply. Up to 5 units per circuit, 4 in Canada, 5 in the US. On the end here, we're featuring a new system designed to be installed under porcelain. See, the unit is in direct contact with the material on top that looks like stone, but it's in fact made of porcelain. This is 600 watts and will heat the chafer through the material itself. Then we have another 600 watt hold-only unit available right now in black or white. You'll see there's no markings on top, so we try to make this as unobtrusive as possible. And then we're exploring the capability and the idea of having different colored tops. We've had good feedback on that, so you can imagine a sports stadium might want to use their own sports colors. A little bit of Miami Dolphins going on there, and maybe Green Bay Packers and Detroit Lions at the back. Finally, at the end we have a 600 watt version of the warmer, very similar to the 360 but more power. So this is for perhaps a more challenging application where the lid may be left open, the food's not stirred so often, it's more challenging food like fried chicken, for instance, something with a big surface area. There may be a cold wind blowing AC as we have here in this hall. So you know, this one's good for the buffet where it's going to be 6-7 hours, or even a 24/7 operation such as Las Vegas. And that pretty much rounds out all the new equipment on the induction side.